Hello guys, welcome back to part 2 of how to succeed in affiliate marketing using secret tracking tool. Now in this part 2, I'm going to literally explain in a holistic manner of how this tracking tool, which is called Opt-in Dojo, is going to help in your affiliate marketing business even as a complete beginner. Now I always recommend, even if you're a beginner, to go for solo ads as your main traffic source for building your affiliate marketing business. Now, why do I suggest this? Simple. If you are going for any paid ads like Facebook or Google, you always need a huge amount of budget, thousands of dollars and thousands of dollars in testing and optimizing and scaling. But with solo ads, you don't need to get into your analysis and paralysis like paid advertising, and you always have this simple tool called Opt-in Dojo. It is going to help you out with simple analysis and you can make your decisions on your own. Now, solo ads is the fastest way to build your email list, and it's going to be a long-term business and it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. So you need to have your patience and you always need to think for the long-term strategy. So if you're a complete beginner, please go for solo ads as your main source of traffic to build your affiliate marketing business. And this tool, Opt-in Dojo, will help you with wonders. Now, let's get straight to my screen so that I can explain in a holistic manner. Now, if you remember the part 1 of this training tutorial series where I've explained you the whole affiliate marketing business now, the first part will be the traffic. So the traffic here will be solo ads, and from there it goes straight to your funnel. From the funnel, it is directed to the offer, and once the subscribers buy the offer, they are going to be moved into a bias list, like bias list A, B, and C. Now, how this all relates to the functions available on Opt-in Dojo, let me explain you a bit deeper over here. Now, in Opt-in Dojo, you have what is called as traffic source and tracking links, which will come under the traffic part. Now, the traffic source is going to be different solo ad vendors that are going to provide you the solo ad clicks. And you have this tracking links. Now, you need to provide this tracking link, unique tracking link to your solo ad vendor. And each solo ad vendor will have different tracking links so that you can track who's giving you better leads. Now, the next part will be the funnel. Now, it is not the normal funnel builder, which is the landing page builder. This is something different. I will show you when I explain more about this tool later in this training series. Now, the third one is the offers. Now, this is going to be either you're directing your traffic to your own offers. If you're a product creator, you must be having your own offer. Or if you are a complete beginner and purely an affiliate marketer, then you are going to direct to someone else's product. Last one will be the bias list. Now, how do you build this bias list? There's a separate tab in Opt-in Dojo called Event Manager. And under this Event Manager, if you have your email list called email list A, and when you send email automations and email messages to this email list A, if someone buys any affiliate offer through this email, then this person is moved to a different list, which is called as bias list C, B, and A. So that is going to be done in the Event Manager tab. Now let me show you all these things in the software Opt-in Dojo. Now, when you go to my channel, which is Manogar, and here you can see so many videos, and you can click any one of these videos, and under this video, when you just go below over here, you can click on the description and you can click on the more button. And over here, if you see, there is an option called Opt-in Dojo, the #1 tracking tool for email marketing. Now, this is my affiliate link. And if you purchase through this affiliate link, you're not going to be charged anything extra. And this will purely motivate me to put out more valuable content so that it helps in your affiliate marketing business. Now, when you click on this link, you will reach this page called Opt-in Dojo. Attention email list builders. Up your email marketing game like a boss. Opt-in Dojo shows you which traffic sources are responsible for your front end and email sales without the need for a complicated setup. You can then stop spending money on the bad sources and get more leads from the good ones. Now, you just read this. In summary, with Opt-in Dojo, you can find which traffic sources send you responsive leads. Now, especially if you're using solo ads as your traffic, you need to have your responsive leads. So, which may be categorized as openers, clickers, and buyers. And you have got a sales from an email, know which traffic sources sent you those converting leads, and see how many days of emailing it takes to break even for each of your traffic sources, and integrates with your autoresponders to automatically tag buyer leads or move them to a separate list. Build a bias list even if you're just an affiliate. Now, this is going to be the most important part, guys, because building a buyer's email list is not possible if you are an affiliate marketer only promoting other people's products. Only the product creator or the product vendor who is going to have the information of the buyers, which is the email address. To build the email address, you need this tool called Opt-in Dojo, and that's why I'm recommending this tool. Now, I have an important and a very good offer for you. If you're watching this, if you purchase Opt-in Dojo through my affiliate link, then I'm here literally free for you to connect with you one-on-one on a Zoom session to help you build or set up the entire Opt-in Dojo tool for you. And it's going to be like a done with you service where you will be doing and I will be just guiding you to set up the whole tool. And this is completely free, guys. You just need to send an email to this email address after you purchase the tool. So once you scroll down over here to the bottom, you will have the pricing plans. And here you can see the 3 different pricing plans, which is the Marketer, Pro, and Guru plan. And it's currently billed monthly, and you can have the billed yearly plan. So if you go for monthly plan, as a beginner, I would strongly recommend you to go for the Marketer plan, which is going to be good enough for you, and it's going to cost you $37 per month. And if you are serious about building your affiliate marketing business and you are in the long haul of this business, then I would suggest you to go for the yearly plan, where you can save $10 per month and you can almost save $120 over a period of a year. So in the Marketer plan, you will have around 10,000 actions per month. Now, what do you mean by 10,000 actions? An action is defined when a lead or subscriber is clicking an email or is opening an email, or if you're receiving solo ad clicks, then 1,000 clicks will be considered as 1,000 actions. So that's how each click will be pixelated with Opt-in Dojo pixels, and this will be tracked and that will be considered as actions. So you can just go over here and click on Get Access Now, and you can directly enter your name, email address, and other details, and then you can enter your payment details, and from there you can start using this tool. After you have logged into the Opt-in Dojo tool, the dashboard will look like this. So you have different tabs called Tracking Links, Funnels, Traffic Sources, Custom Domains, and Tools. Now, the one that we will commonly use are tracking links, funnels, and traffic sources. So these 3 are going to be the most important ones, and you will not use custom domains and tools. So what you need to do is just go over here and click on the Add New Funnel. So over here you can see your opt-in pages, your bridge pages, your affiliate or own offers, and Event Manager, which I showed earlier in this video. Now, to understand more about this, I shall explain you in the upcoming training series. Now, if you're someone who's serious about building an online business and want to live your life of your dreams and live the laptop lifestyle, then let me show you a secret mentorship program that is going to help you build your affiliate marketing business. And this is going to be even helpful if you're a complete beginner. Now, the secret mentorship program which I'm talking about is called Passive Income Profits, and you can check the link in the description box below, which is called My Top Recommended Secret Mentorship Program. And when you click on that link below, you will reach this page called Welcome to Passive Income Profits. This program is from my own mentor Ben from Singapore. Now, when you scroll down, you can see this 3 levels of mentorship program that is available. First one is Beginners Club, second one is the Star Club, and the third one is called Inner Circle. Now, the Beginners Club is $97 USD one time, and here in this Beginners Club, you will have more than 100 videos that are targeted for email marketing, social media marketing, paid ads training, and course creation training. So these are the 4 main strategies that all top online entrepreneurs or marketers use to build their online business. In this Beginners Club, you will have more than 100 videos, and you need to watch each one of these videos and try to do on your own. This is going to be more of like a do it yourself. And here you also have the Facebook support of the mentor, and he is going to answer your questions in the Facebook group within 24 hours. And the next one, which is called Star Club, this is $2997 one time, and this is going to be for those person who are in the intermediate and who want to learn more advanced strategies and want to up their game and want to scale their business, email marketing business or affiliate marketing business. Then they have this option called 8 times weekly one-on-one Zoom sessions with the mentor Ben himself. Now, this is going to be a minimum of 60 minutes, and this is going to be a one-on-one Zoom session, and it's not going to be a one-to-many Zoom session. So you will have specialized attention to your needs, and he will answer all your queries. And here you also have your Facebook Messenger access. You have a direct Facebook Messenger access to Ben himself, and he will answer all your questions in less than 12 hours. And you also get everything in the beginners club, also in the star club. Now, the final program, which is called Inner Circle. Now, this is going to be the program or mentorship or the coaching experience where more than 82% of the students have got the success rate under this Inner Circle program. Now, why is this $6997 for the Inner Circle program? Now you get everything in the Star Club from plus the Beginners Club. And what else do you get in the Inner Circle? Now, the most important thing, and which no other marketer on the planet is giving you, is the mentor will work directly with you perpetually until you achieve a minimum of $5,000 in profit. Guys, this is not in revenue, it's in profit for consecutively 3 months. And this is if you're doing $5,000 for the first month, and in the second month you're doing $3,000, and the third month you're doing again $7,000, then you are not considered as graduated. Only if you make consistently $5,000 for 3 consecutive months, then you are considered as graduated. And until then, he is going to be with you, guiding you every week. So this is a business for the long term. This is not a get rich quick scheme. So what else do you get? You get a once a week one-on-one Zoom session. So you have a once a week Zoom session of minimum of 60 minutes. And if you have more questions, then he is going to answer your queries. And you have tailor-made solutions, action plan for you. Even if you're a busy working mom, or even if you're a busy father, or even if you're a 9-to-5 job worker, there is a tailor-made action plan for you to execute your daily actions. So, and also you get 90% done for you system. And also you have Facebook direct messenger access to Ben, and he will answer all your questions in less than 6 hours. So now the most important thing you need to understand is, before enrolling into the Star Club or the Inner Circle, you always need to click on the check curriculum button, and you have to book a Zoom session to have a discovery call with the mentor before you enroll into this Inner Circle or the Star Club program. Now, why is it so? This is a complimentary and a free Zoom session, and here the mentor Ben will check with your aspirations, your goals, your thoughts on building your online business, and how long you can commit to this business. How much time are you willing to put in every day? And at the same time, and the most important thing, do you have any budget? Because without budget, he's not going to help you with this building online business. So that's why this Zoom session is very critical, and you need to book a Zoom session before enrolling into this Inner Circle or Star Club program. And there are people who have been rejected by the mentor because either they are not having the budget or they don't have the time commitment. Never give up attitude that is most required when you're building an online business. And so only this is for serious people who want to build online business. So if you're serious, and want to build your online business, then please enroll into this Inner Circle program. And Mentor Ben is going to help you build your business for the long term. And it's not going to be just any business, it's going to be a sustainable business. So if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button below and also hit the bell notification in order to get the very first update whenever I upload my videos. So with that being said, let's meet in the part 3 of the training series. Until then, bye.